Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm bringing you an incredible book that changed my life and has transformed the lives of millions of people around the world. This is not just any book. This is a guide to unlocking your hidden potential. This is also your listening practice, so stay focused. Let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered why some people work so hard and still fail, while others achieve success in just a few months? Why are some people rich while others struggle with poverty? Why are some healthy and others constantly sick? All these questions have one answer, and that answer lies in The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. This book will teach you how to unlock the immense power of your mind to create miracles in your life. If you listen carefully and apply what you learn, I promise miracles will happen. You can transform your health, wealth, relationships, and happiness all by understanding how your subconscious mind works. Part 1. What is the subconscious mind? The subconscious mind is like a secret powerhouse inside you. It is the part of your mind that works silently, behind the scenes. While your conscious mind makes daily decisions like what to eat or where to go, your subconscious mind is like a massive database storing every memory, belief, and habit you've ever formed. The key to understanding this book is this. Your subconscious mind believes everything you tell it. It doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's imagined. It simply follows the instructions you give it through your thoughts and emotions. Imagine you constantly think I'm not good enough or I can never succeed. Your subconscious accepts this as true and makes sure your actions and results align with that belief. But if you start saying, I am capable or I can achieve anything, your subconscious will work to make that true as well. Joseph Murphy says, change your thoughts and you can change your destiny. Part 2. How the subconscious mind works. Let's dive deeper into understanding how your subconscious mind works and why it holds the key to your success, happiness, and health. Your subconscious mind is like a fertile garden. Whatever you plant in it, positive or negative thoughts will grow and multiply. It does not argue or question. It simply accepts what you repeatedly tell it and turns it into reality. The relationship between conscious and subconscious mind. Think of your conscious mind as the gardener and your subconscious mind as the soil. The gardener decides which seeds to plant. These seeds are your thoughts. If you plant negative seeds like fear, doubt, or failure, your subconscious will nurture those and produce a life filled with struggles. But if you plant positive seeds like confidence, success, and happiness, your subconscious will work to bring those to life. Joseph Murphy explains, your subconscious mind is always working whether you are aware of it or not. It acts on every thought, word, or belief you feed it. Therefore, what you think about most becomes your reality. How does this work in real life? Imagine two people preparing for an important interview. Person 1. Before the interview, they think, I'm nervous. I'll probably mess this up. I'm not good enough for this job. Their subconscious mind absorbs these negative beliefs and creates emotions like anxiety and fear, which affect their performance. They walk into the interview feeling unsure and end up making mistakes. Person 2. Before the same interview, they think, I am confident, I am prepared, I will give my best and I deserve this opportunity. Their subconscious mind takes in these positive affirmations and creates emotions of calmness and self-assurance. They enter the interview feeling focused and perform well. The result? The second person is more likely to succeed because their subconscious mind worked in their favor. One of the most powerful lessons in this book is the importance of belief. Whatever you deeply believe, your subconscious will work to make it true. There's a story of a man who was told by doctors that he had an incurable disease. Instead of accepting this, he began to visualize himself as healthy. Every day he imagined his body healing and repeated, "I am perfectly healthy." Over time, his subconscious accepted this belief and his body began to recover. This isn't magic. It's the power of belief combined with the subconscious mind's ability to influence your body, behavior, and circumstances. Now that you understand how your subconscious mind works, let's learn how to reprogram it for success. Affirmations. Repeat positive statements every day like, "I am worthy of success. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly. I am healthy, happy, and confident." Say these with emotion and belief, especially before sleeping, when your subconscious is most receptive. Visualization. Close your eyes and imagine your goals as if they've already happened. For example, if you want a dream job, visualize yourself sitting in your office feeling proud and successful. The more detailed and emotional your visualization, the faster your subconscious will act on it. Gratitude. Every day write down 3 things you're grateful for. Gratitude shifts your focus to positivity and helps reprogram your subconscious to attract more good things into your life. Part 3. Removing limiting beliefs and negative programming. Now that you know how powerful your subconscious mind is, it's time to address the barriers that may be holding you back. These barriers are called limiting beliefs. They are the negative thoughts and ideas you've been carrying for years, often without realizing it. Limiting beliefs are thoughts like, "I can't do this. I'm not smart enough. I don't deserve success. Money is hard to earn." These beliefs were likely planted in your subconscious when you were a child, either by society, family, or past experiences. Over time, they became a part of your identity, influencing your actions and keeping you stuck. How do limiting beliefs affect you? Imagine you're trying to drive a car with the handbrake on. No matter how hard you press the accelerator, the car won't move smoothly. Limiting beliefs act like that handbrake in your life. If you believe you're not good at public speaking, you'll avoid opportunities to speak, missing out on personal growth and success. If you believe you're not worthy of love, you may sabotage relationships or settle for less than you deserve. The good news is that limiting beliefs can be replaced with empowering ones. Here are some powerful techniques to help you reprogram your mind. Identify the belief. Write down your negative thoughts. Be honest with yourself. For example, "I'm not talented enough. I'll never be financially free." Acknowledge these thoughts without judgment. This is the first step toward change. Challenge the belief. Ask yourself, is this belief true? Where did I learn this? Is there evidence to prove it's wrong? If you believe, "I'll never succeed," think of people who started with nothing and achieved greatness. Their success proves that your belief isn't true. Replace the belief. Once you've challenged the belief, replace it with a positive affirmation. Old belief. "I can't achieve my goals." New belief. "I am capable of achieving anything I set my mind to." Repeat this new belief daily until it becomes a part of you. There's a story in the book about a salesman who believed he couldn't earn more than a certain amount each month. This belief was limiting his income. After reading this book, he started affirming, "I am earning $5,000 a month." At first, his mind resisted because he'd never earned that much before. But he kept repeating the affirmation and visualizing himself receiving $5,000 checks. Within months, opportunities came his way, and he achieved his goal. The lesson? Your subconscious will create the reality you believe in, but you must first remove the old beliefs that are holding you back. Write and burn. Write down your fears and doubts on a piece of paper. Then burn the paper safely as a symbolic act of letting go. This exercise helps your mind release negative emotions tied to those beliefs. Mirror technique. Stand in front of a mirror every morning. Look into your eyes and say, "I am confident. I am worthy of success. I deserve happiness." Do this daily. It may feel awkward at first, but over time your subconscious will believe it. Gratitude practice. Gratitude is a powerful way to shift focus from negativity to positivity. Every night, write down 3 things you're grateful for. This trains your subconscious to focus on the good in your life. You are not your limiting beliefs. They are just thoughts you've carried for too long. By identifying, challenging, and replacing them, you can free yourself from negativity and unlock your true potential. Your subconscious mind is like a mirror. It reflects back what you show it. If you show it fear, doubt, and negativity, that's what it will give you. But if you show it confidence, positivity, and belief, it will create miracles in your life. Part 4. Using the subconscious mind to transform your life. Now that you understand how to reprogram your subconscious and remove limiting beliefs, it's time to learn how to use this incredible power to transform specific areas of your life. Your subconscious mind can help you achieve wealth, improve your health, and build strong relationships. Let's dive into each area and see how you can create the life of your dreams. Attracting wealth and success. Many people struggle with money because they hold negative beliefs about it. If you've ever thought money is evil or I'll never have enough, those beliefs are blocking your success. The truth is, wealth begins in your mind. Joseph Murphy says, "Poverty is a state of mind. Prosperity is also a state of mind. You choose which one to accept." Visualize abundance. Close your eyes and imagine yourself surrounded by wealth. See yourself living in your dream home, driving your dream car, and feeling financially free. Feel the emotions of gratitude and joy as if it's already real. Repeat affirmations like, "I am a magnet for money. Wealth flows to me easily and effortlessly." There's a story in the book about a woman who struggled financially. She started visualizing herself receiving checks in the mail every day. Within a few weeks, unexpected opportunities came her way, and she received money from multiple sources. Stop focusing on lack. Instead, focus on abundance, and your subconscious will bring it into your life. Your subconscious mind has the power to heal your body. Every cell in your body responds to your thoughts and beliefs. If you constantly think about sickness or fear illness, your body will manifest those feelings. But if you focus on health and vitality, your body will start to heal and strengthen. Joseph Murphy says, "The subconscious mind controls all the vital processes of your body. You can use it to heal yourself." Positive health beliefs. Start telling yourself, Every day, my body becomes stronger and healthier. My mind and body are in perfect harmony. I am full of energy and vitality. Imagine yourself feeling vibrant and healthy. See yourself running, laughing, and enjoying life. Your subconscious will accept this image and work to make it real. Your body is a reflection of your mind. Feed your mind with health, and your body will follow. Building loving relationships. Relationships are a vital part of life. If you want to attract love, build trust, or improve your relationships, your subconscious can help. But first, you must let go of negative patterns like fear, anger, or jealousy. Joseph Murphy says, "When you radiate love and goodwill, it returns to you multiplied. Forgive and let go." Holding on to anger or resentment blocks love. Repeat to yourself, "I forgive and release all past hurts. I am free to love and be loved." If you want to attract love, imagine yourself in a happy, loving relationship. See yourself with your partner, sharing joy and trust. Feel the emotions of love and gratitude. Say affirmations like, "I am surrounded by love and happiness. I attract healthy, loving relationships into my life." A woman wanted to improve her marriage. Instead of focusing on her husband's flaws, she started visualizing a happy relationship and repeated, "My marriage is filled with love and understanding." Within weeks, her relationship improved as her subconscious influenced her behavior and attitude. What you project into the world, you attract back. Radiate love and positivity, and your relationships will flourish. Your subconscious mind is the most powerful tool you possess. Whether it's achieving wealth, improving health, or building strong relationships, the key lies in your thoughts and beliefs. Believe in yourself. Your potential is limitless, but you must believe it first. Be consistent. Reprogramming your subconscious takes time, so practice affirmations, visualization, and gratitude daily. Stay positive. Focus on what you want, not what you fear. As Joseph Murphy says, change your thoughts and you can change your destiny. This is the final step in understanding the power of your subconscious mind. Your life is in your hands. Use these principles. Take control of your thoughts and create the life you've always dreamed of. You have everything you need within you. Now go out and make miracles happen.